We will discuss about the human development with the concept attachment. Developmental psychologists are the psychologists who study physiological and cognitive changes across the lifespan and how these are affected by a person's genetic predispositions, culture, circumstances, and experience. In other words, it's likely that a developmental psychologist spent his or her entire career studying how and why changes occur in people as they get older. There is an important concept in studying human development, which is socialization. Socialization is the process by which children learn the rules and behavior expected of them by society. In other words, children who never underwent the process of socialization would not know how they are expected to behave and would not understand the rules that they are expected to follow. The cultural factors is an important factor in studying human development. Many aspects of development depend on customs. For example, differences in babies' sleep arrangements reflect cultural and parental values. Some cultures believe in sleeping the baby close to the mother for a few years, while others value independent sleeping. To further understand the relationship between parents and the child, we have to understand the concepts of attachment. At about 6 to 8 months, for most child, if their primary caregivers temporarily leave them with strangers, they will display a distress, and this is called the separation anxiety. There is a procedure called strange situation procedures. It is usually staged in a laboratory and to test the security of a child's attachment. There are several types of attachment. For a secure attachment, a parent-infant relationship, in which the baby is secure when the parents is present, distressed by separation, and delight by reunion. For insecure attachment, there are two subtypes: the avoidant and anxious attachment. For the avoidant attachment, it is a parent-infant relationship in which the baby doesn't care if the parents leave the room and does not seek contact when the parents returns. Whereas for the anxious attachment, it is a parent-infant relationship in which the baby clings to the parents, cries at separations, and reacts with anger or apathy to reunion. Now, to check your understanding, go home and ask your parents or your primary caregivers which type of attachment did you show when you were an infant.